Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in. Now open your profile and go straight to Account. Click Manage Membership or Plan Details to view current plan and available upgrades. Check payment info and add or confirm a card or PayPal before proceeding, because Netflix often verifies payment when changing tiers. Once done, note which device streams and resolution you need so you choose the correct plan. Make sure to review price differences and simultaneous streams to avoid surprises during the upgrade. You've reached the plan screen. Compare the options by resolution and simultaneous streams, then select the plan that matches your viewing habits. Click Change Plan or Upgrade and watch for the on-screen summary. Netflix shows prorated charges and the next billing date. Confirm the payment method and tap Continue or Confirm to finalize. If you have shared profiles, make sure to notify household members about limits. Keep the confirmation email or screenshot for your records once the upgrade is accepted. After confirming the upgrade, refresh your devices by signing out and back in so the new plan propagates. Test playback with an HD or 4K title to verify resolution and simultaneous streams behave as expected. If the upgrade doesn't apply, first verify the payment cleared and that your device supports the chosen resolution. Then restart the app or device. If problems persist, clear app cache, retry the change on a web browser, or contact Netflix support with your confirmation details. This usually results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.